Welcome back to Medina County, Texas, GMRS. Hadn't seen y'all in several weeks. Figured I would do a video and wish all of the viewers, all 800 plus subscribers, a happy new year. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Gonna go over a few new things that are set up out here, some things that are coming up soon, and just really wanted to say hi to everybody. Let's get through the intro and get started. So, as you can see, not much has changed on the desk. Not much. Same Vertex repeater, same base station. We still got the simplex repeater going on here. But you will notice a new to me scanner. So, I was, we, not I, but we, our GMRS group we were invited to the ham Christmas dinner here in Medina County, and it was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for inviting us. We did clean up on prizes though, and I truly feel like I was the big winner. This is a vintage Radio Shack scanner. It's a 1000 channel Pro 2035 analog scanner, but the thing looks brand new. I'll put some close-up pictures, and it works like it's brand new. So I never had a scanner before, and we may have a need, the group may have a need for a scanner. So I set it up, ran another antenna outside, so I think I'm up to 5 antennas outside total. I'll get some pictures of that. Oh, here we go. Sorry about that. We had, there we go. So I'll get you some pictures of the antenna I put for this scanner outside, and it actually works great. I got a weather station mounted on the shack now, so pretty excited about that. I got a new coffee cup for Christmas. I was super excited. Got some Medina County, Texas swag ordered for me from my lovely wife, and I'm not wearing any. This is the old Smith & Wesson shirt, but you'll see that coming soon. So I had a great Christmas. Got real busy with work, had a lot of stuff going on, so had to take the last 6 or 8 weeks kind of off and get some stuff done around the house and for work. So sorry for being gone. I'm glad I'm back. We will be doing a review. I know you can't buy these anymore brand new, but you can you even see that scanner? There it is. I didn't even have it in the shot. Sorry about that. I'll have some pictures of it also, but super excited about it. I even bought a new scanner for in the house. I'll flash some pictures up for that. But lots of cool videos coming soon. Series that I'm going to start, I mentioned it on my last video of last year, is we want to see all of your GMRS shacks. So I've had 3 viewers send in some of their pictures of their shack and the equipment they have. So this coming week, while I'm at a hotel in New Orleans, we will be posting those and just a little commentary of what they have in there. And feel free to send me pictures of your equipment that we can share with our YouTube group. It's Medina County, Texas, GMRS at gmail.com. Would love to hear from you. Now, one thing I'm going to turn you again back over this way, because towards the end of last year, we had 5 drawings. We gave away a B-Tech mobile radio, but we also have these SDRs that I've reached out and tried contacting the winners. So, John Derby, you have an SDR here. Travis Few, you have an SDR ready to be mailed to you. Thomas Grady, you do as well. And Kitty Plays, if you can see that, you do as well. So I would love to get all of y'all's prizes out to you. We have hit over 800 subscribers, and once we hit 1,000, I'm doing a big gift pack that's going to have several things in it to one lucky winner. So keep hitting the subscribe button if you're watching for the first time. A lot of you have been leaving a bunch of great comments. Always love to see those. A few of the guys have got some new toys that they are going to let me review. So excited about that. I'll be buying some new equipment. And one thing I really can't divulge yet, but I've been having to study up on this. If anybody is familiar with Robert's rules, it might give you an idea of what the group is in the process of doing. Can't tell you yet, but it'll be great news for the Medina County community, I think. And we're really looking forward to it. So I know I didn't have a whole lot on this video here. I just wanted to really tell everybody hello. I'm alive. Happy New Year's. And I hope you all had a great Christmas. Send me questions. Send me video ideas. We have a whole year to play with again. And I'm really looking forward to what 2023 is going to bring for the GMRS community here in Medina County and across the country. I love hearing y'all's stories about what y'all have going on in your community. The emails that come in are great. A lot of you are definitely involved in a group in your local area, and I think it's just a great way to get together with like-minded folks, and kind of like we're doing here and everywhere else. So thanks again, and we will be seeing you soon with the new series of your shacks and the equipment you have, and send me more. Always excited to open the emails that have y'all's pictures and such in it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and Happy New Year. See ya.